Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm Ed and I'll take you through the updates for Assembly Mates. The Quick Mates toolbar introduced in SOLIDWORKS 2014 provides a means to rapidly assemble components directly from the graphics area. SOLIDWORKS 2020 extends this popular tool by adding additional commonly used mates. Let's take a look. When mating the washer to the slot, the Quick Mates toolbar now includes the slot mate and provides options for choosing its constraint. For this case, we'll centre it in the slot. The screw needs to be mated to the washer, and we have long had the ability to do this with the profile centre mate from the Quick Mates toolbar, but there was no way to flip the alignment without editing the mate after creating it. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2020, a new flip alignment button pops up allowing you to flip the mate on creation. Just as with the slot mate, the constraint options are available for the width mate to establish its position. Previously, there was no way to flip the alignment of a width mate. Users had to suppress the mate, rotate the part, and then unsuppress the mate. The new flip alignment button pops up allowing alignment changes on the fly. In addition, when editing a width mate, the option to flip mate alignment is now available on the right mouse button as well as in the property manager. Limit mates have also been added to the Quick Mates toolbar. Both the limit distance and limit angle mates are now available to quickly position components in the assembly. The angle, maximum and minimum values can be entered immediately to keep your focus directly on the screen. With the new mate types available on the ever popular Quick Mates toolbar, SOLIDWORKS 2020 continues to provide users with tools to rapidly assemble components. In summary, the Quick Mate toolbar now includes limit mates, distance and angle, slot mate with position constraint, width mate position constraint, flip alignment pop-up button, and width mate flip alignment. SOLIDWORKS 2020, giving you more options on the Quick Mates toolbar for rapid assembly.